You did it, a new beginning. Congratulations, you have completed cancer treatment. This is a huge accomplishment. Take a moment to celebrate your strength and resilience. Life after treatment is a new chapter filled with hope and possibilities. It's a time to heal, rebuild, and rediscover yourself. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Many others have walked this path before you. They have faced similar challenges and emerged stronger. We are here to support you every step of the way. This is a time to listen to your body, mind, and spirit. Be kind to yourself and celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Embrace the future with optimism and know that a brighter tomorrow awaits. Your body has been through a lot. It's normal to experience physical changes after treatment. Some common side effects include fatigue, pain, changes in appetite, and sleep disturbances. Give your body time to heal. Rest when you need to, eat nourishing foods, and stay hydrated. Gentle exercise like walking or yoga can help you regain strength and improve your mood. If you're concerned about any physical changes, don't hesitate to talk to your doctor. They can provide guidance, medications, or therapies to help you manage side effects and improve your quality of life. Remember, healing takes time. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every step forward. Cancer treatment affects you emotionally as well as physically. It's common to experience a range of emotions, including anxiety, fear, sadness, and even guilt. Give yourself permission to feel your feelings. Don't bottle them up inside. Talking to a therapist or counselor can provide a safe space to process your emotions and develop healthy coping mechanisms. Support groups can also be incredibly beneficial. Connecting with others who understand what you're going through can reduce feelings of isolation and provide a sense of community. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to feel. Be kind to yourself, seek support when you need it, and know that you are not alone. Surrounding yourself with a strong support system is crucial after cancer treatment. Lean on your loved ones, friends, and family members. Let them know how they can best support you, whether it's a listening ear, a helping hand, or simply a shoulder to cry on. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Accepting support from others is a sign of strength, not weakness. Remember, you don't have to go through this alone. Connecting with other survivors can be incredibly empowering. Support groups provide a space to share experiences, offer advice, and find strength in numbers. There is a unique bond that forms when you connect with others who truly understand your journey. Section 5, Stories of Hope, Inspiration from Others. In this section, we delve into the incredible journeys of those who have faced cancer head-on and emerged stronger, more resilient, and more inspired than ever before. Countless survivors have thrived after cancer treatment, embracing life with renewed purpose and joy. They have found new ways to celebrate life, cherishing every moment with their loved ones and making the most of their second chance. Hearing their stories can provide hope, inspiration, and a reminder that a fulfilling life after cancer is possible. These narratives serve as a beacon of light for those still in the midst of their battle, showing that there is a path forward. One survivor, Sarah, shared how her cancer journey led her to discover a passion for painting. Through her art, she found a new way to express herself and cope with the emotional challenges of her experience. She now finds solace and healing through art, expressing her emotions and connecting with others through her work. Her paintings have become a testament to her resilience and a source of inspiration for many. Another survivor, John, spoke about the importance of gratitude. His journey taught him to find joy in the little things and to appreciate every moment, no matter how small. He learned to appreciate the simple things in life and focus on the present moment. Whether it's a walk in the park or a quiet moment of reflection, John finds peace in the everyday. He now dedicates his time to volunteering and giving back to others. By helping those in need, John has found a new sense of purpose and fulfillment. These stories remind us that while cancer may leave its mark, it doesn't have to define us. The strength and resilience of these survivors show that we can rise above our challenges. We have the power to create a meaningful and fulfilling life after treatment. By embracing our passions, appreciating the present, and giving back to our communities, we can find joy and purpose in our lives once more. Section 6, Taking Care of You, Health and Wellness Tips. In this section, we will explore various strategies to help you maintain and improve your health and wellness, especially after undergoing cancer treatment. After cancer treatment, It's more important than ever to prioritize your health and well-being. This period is crucial for recovery and building a strong foundation for your future health. Here are some practical tips to help you thrive. Listen to your body. Pay attention to what your body is telling you and respond accordingly. If you feel tired, allow yourself to rest. Rest when you need to, eat nourishing foods, and stay hydrated. Consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can make a significant difference. Get moving! Gentle exercise can improve your energy levels, mood, and overall health. Activities like yoga, walking, or light stretching can be very beneficial. Manage stress. Find healthy ways to cope with stress, such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. These activities can help calm your mind and reduce anxiety. Stay connected. Maintain strong social connections with loved ones and consider joining a support group. Social interactions can provide emotional support and a sense of belonging. Follow up with your doctor. Regular medical checkups are essential to monitor your health and catch any potential issues early. Attend regular checkups and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any concerns. Open communication with your healthcare team is key to managing your health effectively. Remember, taking care of yourself is not selfish, it's essential. Self-care practices can help you recharge and maintain a positive outlook on life. By prioritizing your well-being, you'll be better equipped to embrace all that life has to offer. Enjoy the moments, cherish your relationships, and engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Section 7. Living your best life. Embracing the future. Life after cancer treatment can be a time of great growth and transformation. It's a period where you can redefine who you are and what you want from life. You have faced your fears, overcome incredible challenges, and emerged stronger on the other side. Your journey has been a testament to your resilience and strength. Now is the time to embrace the future with open arms. What brings you joy? What are your passions? Think about the activities and hobbies that make you feel alive. Now is the time to explore new interests, reconnect with old ones, or pursue your dreams. Whether it's painting, traveling, or trying a new hobby, the possibilities are endless. Don't let fear hold you back from living your life to the fullest. Embrace each day with confidence and courage. Embrace the lessons you've learned through your cancer journey. These experiences have shaped you into the person you are today. You may have a newfound appreciation for life, a deeper sense of gratitude, or a stronger connection to your purpose. These insights are invaluable. Let these insights guide you as you move forward. Plan for the future with optimism and hope. Remember, you are a survivor. Your journey is a powerful story of triumph and perseverance. You are capable of anything you set your mind to. The future is yours to shape and create. Section 8. Nutrition and cancer fueling your recovery. Good nutrition is, well, vital after cancer treatment. It helps your body heal, regain strength, and rebuild healthy tissues. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains. These foods provide essential nutrients that support your recovery. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Limit sugary drinks, processed foods, and unhealthy fats, as these can hinder your healing process. If you have any concerns about your diet or appetite, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized recommendations based on your individual needs. Section 9. Exercise and cancer. Moving towards wellness. Regular exercise offers numerous benefits for cancer survivors. It can help reduce fatigue, improve sleep, boost mood, and strengthen your body. Start slowly and gradually. Increase your activity level as you feel stronger. Choose activities you enjoy, such as walking, swimming, yoga, or dancing. Listen to your body and don't overdo it. Rest when you need to and don't push yourself beyond your limits. Even small amounts of exercise can make a big difference. Talk to your doctor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any physical limitations or concerns. Section 10. Relationships and intimacy. Navigating the new normal. Cancer and its treatment can impact your relationships and intimacy. It's normal to experience changes in your body image, self-esteem, and desire. Open and honest communication with your partner is essential. Share your feelings, fears, and concerns. Seek support from each other and be patient as you adjust to the new normal. If you're struggling with intimacy issues, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist specializing in sexual health can provide guidance and support. Remember, intimacy encompasses more than just physical touch. Emotional connection, communication, and shared experiences are equally important for a fulfilling relationship. Section 11. Finding purpose and meaning, redefining your path. Cancer has a way of shifting our priorities and making us reevaluate what truly matters. It can be an opportunity to find new meaning and purpose in our lives. What are you passionate about? What brings you joy? What legacy do you want to leave behind? Explore new hobbies, volunteer your time, or reconnect with your spiritual side. Finding purpose can provide a sense of direction, hope, and fulfillment. Remember, your journey is unique and your purpose is yours to define. Embrace this new chapter with an open heart and a willingness to explore the possibilities. Section 12. A future filled with hope, you are not alone. Life after cancer treatment is a journey of healing, growth, and rediscovery. It's a time to celebrate your strength, embrace the future with optimism, and know that you are not alone. There will be challenges along the way, but also moments of great joy and gratitude. Remember to be kind to yourself, seek support when you need it, and celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Your cancer journey may have changed you, but it doesn't define you. You are a survivor, and your story is far from over. Embrace the future with courage, hope, and a belief in the power of the human spirit.